Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we test, compare, and break down AI models so you don't have to. I'm VK, and in the last few days, DeepSeek has been trending in the news and has even crashed the US markets. But you would have already read about it, and we are not getting into that today. Instead, we are going to compare the model's abilities on various tests in real time. Alright, first up, let's introduce our contenders. DeepSeek is an AI model gaining traction for its strong performance in reasoning and coding tasks, while ChatGPT, specifically GPT-4o, is OpenAI's flagship model, known for its conversational ability and broad knowledge base. But numbers only tell part of the story. Let's put them to the test with real-world tasks. First up, let's challenge both models with a more thought-provoking general knowledge question. Which ancient Greek philosopher was the first to argue that matter is composed of tiny, indivisible particles? ChatGPT quickly responded with the correct answer. Let us ask the DeepSeek the same question. ChatGPT just responded with the answer. However, DeepSeek has this new ability to think and then provide the answer, adding more context and reasoning behind it. Now, let's see which AI is better at coding. Here's a problem. Write a Python function to check if a number is prime. Both the models responded with the correct program. However, DeepSeek had a thinking process. Which one is cleaner, faster, or more efficient? Comment below. Next up, let's test creativity. I asked both models to write a short sci-fi story about a robot discovering emotions. Let's hear a quick excerpt from each. In the story writing, ChatGPT beats the DeepSeek. ChatGPT's story was creative than its counterpart. Which one had better storytelling? Let me know your thoughts. Let's step it up with an MMLU Pro-level question. Which of the following best describes Immanuel Kant's concept of the categorical imperative? A. A principle that judges actions based on their consequences. B. A rule that determines ethical behavior by considering the greatest happiness. C. A moral law that applies universally, independent of personal desires. D. An ethical theory that focuses on social contract principles. ChatGPT was able to provide the correct answer as option C. Let us now ask the same question to DeepSeek. And DeepSeek too was able to give the same right answer as option C. However, I liked the way how DeepSeek self-analyzed the question and then answered. Alright, after all these tests, what's the verdict? DeepSeek seems to excel in coding and logic-heavy tasks, while ChatGPT shines in natural conversation, detailed explanations, and creativity. Now let's talk numbers. DeepSeek reportedly has 100 billion parameters, while ChatGPT 4 Turbo has around 1.76 trillion parameters. DeepSeek is trained primarily on code-heavy datasets, making it ideal for developers, whereas ChatGPT has broader training across multiple domains, making it more versatile. When it comes to speed, DeepSeek delivers impressive results. Tests show that DeepSeek processes queries 35% faster than OpenAI's GPT-4, with an average response time of just 800 milliseconds compared to OpenAI's 1.2 seconds. Let's talk about cost. For many businesses and individuals, pricing is a major factor when choosing an AI solution. OpenAI's GPT-4 API starts at 0.03 per 1,000 tokens for prompt processing and 0.06 per 1,000 tokens for output. While effective, it can quickly add up for heavy users. DeepSeek, on the other hand, offers a 25 to 40% reduction in cost per query, with rates as low as 0.02 per 1,000 tokens for both input and output processing. For small businesses or startups on a budget, this makes DeepSeek a highly attractive alternative without sacrificing quality. One of DeepSeek's standout features is its open source model. Unlike OpenAI, which operates as a closed platform, DeepSeek allows users to access and modify its core codebase. This flexibility empowers developers to tailor the AI to their specific needs, whether for niche industries or unique applications. And here's the kicker: DeepSeek can also be run locally on your hardware, eliminating the need for constant cloud connectivity. This is a huge win for industries like healthcare, where data privacy and security are critical. Running the model locally ensures sensitive information stays in-house while reducing reliance on external servers. So, why does DeepSeek outclass OpenAI? Let's recap. Number 1. Faster performance. 35% quicker response times and superior scalability. Number 2. Lower costs. Up to 40% cheaper, making it budget-friendly. Number 3. Open source. Complete flexibility and transparency for developers. Number 4. Local functionality. Greater control, privacy, and independence. Number 5. Unique features, multimedia inputs, real-time collaboration, and pre-trained domain-specific expertise. Of course, OpenAI is still an industry leader with a strong track record, but DeepSeek is rapidly closing the gap, and in many ways surpassing it. Whether you're an individual user, a small business, or an enterprise, DeepSeek offers a compelling, cost-effective alternative. What do you think? Is DeepSeek the future of AI, or does OpenAI still hold the crown? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell for more insightful tech reviews. And as always, the link to both DeepSeek and OpenAI is in the description below. This is VK, signing off. See you in the next one.